uyayibona guys lesikeshe esisibukiswa ababhali bethonga hayi inkosi soyicela ivuthiwe. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga from the 29th to the 3rd of September 2025 on Monday, or to the 3rd of October 2025 on Monday. Iminati shakes up the Dladla household while Makhumalo and Mbongeni tear each other and the Magwaza family apart on Tuesday. Lethukuhle's mistake is now everyone's problem. Mbongeni's family resist against his new changes. Zama wants more than just Banile's heart. She wants his crown on Wednesday. Bani offers Iminati a way out. Makhumalo and Mbongeni try to reconnect, but Banile's growing unpredictably cast a long shadow. Lethukuhle makes peace with Themba on Thursday. Nwanda refuses to be damned for Mbongeni. Makhumalo and Banile's opening the gate of hell. Zama's suitor's name is revealed to Pablo. Lungelo becomes a light for Iminati on Friday. Can Banele keep up his or this facade long enough to achieve his plans? How far will Iminati go to become a Dladla? Zama dares to dream again, and this time she may just have the whole world in the palm of her hand. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.